My name is Carey Buck. Been an independent ATM business owner since 2009 and an ATM business mentor since 2011. That's where I teach people just like you how to start and grow your own profitable ATM business. Now, why would you want to start an ATM business? Well, to generate consistent passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames. But why do you want that? Well, it's going to be different for each person, right? Some folks want to quit their 9-to-5 jobs. Some folks want to supplement their retirement, or maybe this is going to be their retirement, like they haven't planned yet. There's some folks that are tired of putting out a ton of capital for investments to make a decent return, and instead would like to put out a smaller amount in capital, make a decent return. And then there's some folks that are like, you know what? I finally want to start putting my money to work for me instead of always working for my money, right? So it's going to be different for each person. If you would like me to help you start your own profitable ATM business, then I welcome you to go to atmtrainingvideo.com or just click the link in the description. All right. And please do me a favor. Don't forget to give me some thumbs up for this. Thumbs down are bad. Thumbs ups are good. Some thumbs up. And don't forget to click that little ATM right there. Is it there or is it there? I don't know. Wherever it is, whatever that ATM is, click that to subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell. Make sure you select all, so every time I post a video, you will be notified. So yeah, right now I'm sitting in line at the bank, and here's the thing. When I go up to go to the bank, you know how we're still in Delaware. I don't know about where you guys are, but we're still doing the stupid drive-through stuff, right? But when I go up to the bank and it's my turn to drive-through, I feel so bad for the people behind me. Because I always take forever. I'm always getting a lot of money, and they take forever, like counting it and going through it and what have you. I don't know why, but they just take forever with me. Fortunately, lately they've been like doing my stuff at the drive-through, but then they're like, all right, just drive around front, we'll bring out your cash. So that speeds things up a little bit. So I'm just waiting right now, and then I'll head off to my first spot to fill it. And then I said on the way back, I'm going to fill another spot, and they're not open yet. So I'm going to call the owner's mom, because she lives literally like 2 minutes from the place, and she's super sweet about, if it's an off time, about me just calling her, and she just comes over and lets me in. And then after that, there's a Mexican grocery store right there that I'm going to hit up. Thanks to my student asking me, hey, do you have your next Latin grocery store yet? Because, Latin grocery store, it's finally starting to pick up, the one that we just installed. So super excited about that. And I brought I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, well, yeah. I brought a little sign to kind of bring the point home. It says ATM inside in Spanish. At least that's what everybody who speaks Spanish told me it said. Would that be horrible if it said something else? So it's almost my turn here. I'm gonna go do that, and I'm probably gonna stop and get something to eat because I did not eat this morning. I just want to get out here and get this stuff done because I'm doing 2 more student interviews with 2 more of my students later on today, so I want to hurry up and get home. However, with that in mind, I may stop at a hotel that I've been wanting to stop at for a while. I'll keep you posted. Okay, so much for everything I just told you about the drive-thru. They just asked me to come into the bank and put my mask on and come into the bank if I felt comfortable. So, I'll be back. So, that was pretty awesome. It was my first time in the bank in a long time to actually sit there, and we went over my money, counting the money, because I've been getting so many new bills and so many really crappy, ratty bills, and the ATM doesn't like them, right? So it was awesome. We sat there, we went through all the money, she exchanged all the money for me. I was like, man, I haven't been in the bank doing this in a long time. So that was cool for you folks that are in states where you can go into your bank. I envy you. What's up, guys? So far, filled both of my machines. Whoa. Washing my hands with some sanitizer. Get all sanitized up. And then I got my eye on the Latin grocery store. I'm gonna go down there, but first I'm gonna get prepared. Hold on a second. Got my signs so I can show them. Got my folder that has all my paperwork I take in when meeting a new location. And I always have agreements. Because I go in to get a contract signed. I don't go in just to chit chat, you know what I'm saying? So I got everything in here just in case things go well. See how it goes? Wish me luck. Alright, that didn't go so great. The boss wasn't there, the owner wasn't there, but the English Spanish connection was like really far apart. Like the communication barrier was pretty big there. So I might try again tomorrow or another time, just depending on maybe somebody else is working that might speak a little better English, or at least willing to show me they speak a little better English, because I am stupid and can't speak Spanish, right? And I do not have time to go to the hotel I want to go to, because I have to eat before I can do my student success stories that I have coming up tonight. I got 2 of them coming up tonight. But a big tip, like if you are, going to whatever kind of establishment you're going to, try to do something extra that will make them feel more special, right? So, for instance, this is so simple. Like when I had the other Latin grocery store, I had ATM inside signs in English, but they were really, really appreciative when I said, "Hey, I'll get them made in Spanish." No big deal, and I just said, "Hey, how do you say it?" So they texted me, telling me how to say it, and that's what I took to the print shop. So that little extra bit, could work out in your favor. All right. Remember, if you would like me to help you start your own ATM business, go to atmtrainingvideo.com or just click the link in the description. Don't forget to give me some likes. Don't forget to hit that little ATM. I don't know if it's there or if it's over there. And subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell notification, select all, so every time I post a video, you get notified. All right. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. And may you live happily off of passive income. All right. So I know I kind of ended this video and was like, hey, I'm done. But I thought I was done for the day, but I was not, clearly, because I just drove past a Chinese restaurant, and that looks like it literally just opened up. And I called them, asked them if they take credit cards, and they said no. And as an ATM business owner, that gets you really excited. And then I said, do you have an ATM? And then they proceeded to direct me to an ATM somewhere in town. And I don't even know where they told me to go to, actually. But I said, okay. I said, I'm gonna be right in. And she's like, okay. So I parked by turning around because I was headed home. But I turned around, I went back there, and I started speaking to her. And again, this is kind of the same thing with the like the Spanish spots. With the Asian locations, sometimes there's a communication barrier. And I know that I'm driving, but I promise I'm not watching you guys. I got my eye on the road, except for right now because I'm stopping at a red light. But sometimes there's a communication barrier. So this lady is the owner. But we spoke okay. We spoke okay together. But it wasn't perfect, and she told me that she wanted to pass the information along to her manager because her English is not that great, and she wants the manager to go over everything and then explain explain it to her. And I said, no problem. I just left my normal marking leave behinds that I leave behind. And I told her I live about 15 minutes away. Maybe I live 20. I'm not really sure, but somewhere around there. And I said, I'd be more than happy to come back later today. If your manager wants me to come in and kind of talk to both of you, together. So I'm feeling really good about the place. And if you know anything about me, we love our Chinese restaurant. So I'm hoping this will be another one just like that one. So I'll keep you posted on if I secure this deal. This is all about communication here, right? So I have to make sure I can get in there when the manager is there and can help me communicate everything I need to communicate to the owner, right? So there we go. Good. Hopefully that works out. I will keep you posted. I just got off the phone call a few minutes ago with the Chinese restaurant owner's sister, who called me from New York. I guess the sister lives in New York. And she just wanted to verify a few things with me that, the sister, her sister apparently has told her. I verified them. I cleared them up. She says, okay, my sister wants the ATM. And I said, perfect. I will, is it okay if I send you the contract so you can go over it and review it with your sister? And she says, great, send it to me, send it to my sister, and then I will review it with her and I'll have her sign it, print it out and sign it for you. And then right now, when you just saw me look at something, that was a text from the sister telling me she got my email that I just sent her. So, seems like it's going pretty well. I'm trying to get this machine in this weekend. We'll see how it goes. And again, don't forget, give me some thumbs up. Give me some likes here. Don't forget to click that ATM right there. Or if it's right there, click it right there. I don't know where the heck it is, but click that little ATM to subscribe to this channel. Make sure you click that bell notification, click all, so every time I post a video, you get notified about it. Got any questions, post them below. If you'd like me to help you, go to atmtrainingvideo.com or just click the link in the description. All right, well, listen, I'm feeling good about this one. I hope this Chinese restaurant, I hope, secure the deal. I feel pretty good about it, but I hope that it's just like my other Chinese restaurant, which is amazing. It's been our #1 volume performing machine for years, like since literally 2009 when we started. Except over the past couple months, our convenience store has been either right there with it or surpassed it. So anyways, I hope this Chinese restaurant does the same. I'll keep you posted. All right, talk to you soon. Have a great day, and may you live happily off of passive income.